Hi again guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Miracase phone. It's a car phone holder. I needed a car phone holder because it's quite cumbersome for me to operate my phone while in the car. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this. Yeah, I needed a phone holder. So I'm looking for the right kind of phone holder for my phone in the car, or when I'm looking like at Google Maps or receiving a call. So I needed a good phone holder, so I saw this Miracase. I ordered it online, so let's do an unboxing. So this is the case. It's not that big. It's the packaging. So this is actually the first time I'm unboxing this. I've not unboxed it yet. So this is the part that goes onto the, so this phone holder attaches onto the air vent, the air vents in the car. So this attaches there. I'll show you how it, I'll go to the car and show you how it's installed. So this is this is where you put the phone. I can't show you now on the phone because actually I have another phone. I'll show you how to do that. This is the for warranty and contact. This is the manual, but I don't think I'll need to read this because I think it's pretty straightforward. Press the quick release button to open. Okay, so that's, oh wow, that's really cool. Did you see that? When I press this quick release, it opens, and that's where you put, and when you keep pressing, it opens further. That's really cool. That's a very interesting mechanism. And this one, you put it in here. So let me test with a phone. So I have a phone here. I'm going to test with this phone. So I'll press a quick release. Keep on pressing it. And you put the phone there. Then you just, and it's stable. It's quite stable. So this, I guess you open that. Put this in. No. It's in here. Oh, it's quite well built. It's quite well built. So that's how you attach it. Then this you put onto the air vent. So this is really cool. I'm going to test this actually at the car. So yeah, I like it. It's a well built, the Miracase car phone holder. So let's go to the car right now. So we are in the car right now. I have the Miracase phone holder here. So I'm going to assemble it, and this hook goes onto here. So I'm actually holding the phone, so this will be quite not so easy to do, but I think I'll just have to assemble it and show you, because I already showed you how it's assembled, so you get the basic idea. This goes into here, then this hooks onto the air vent. So you have to screw this to extend the hook, and it hooks onto the air vent. So I'll assemble it and then show you how to put it on. So thankfully it has hooked onto the air vent. You can see it has hooked there. I was worried that it might not be long enough, but thankfully it has hooked on. So after you do that, you press the button under and it opens, which is just amazing. Then you can also extend this bottom part. down for your phone, and you put your phone here. Oh, oops. Then you close this, which is awesome. So now you can control that. This phone is not on, but you get the idea. You can control maps and everything here. So it's a really great product. I'm happy about it, and now I can use my phone functions without having to look for my phone down here at the console. So this is great. I'm happy about it. If you want a phone holder, I recommend the Miracase phone holder. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.